Step into the world of cricket with Mayank Yadav, an emerging talent from India. A right-arm fast bowler who bats right-handed, Yadav plays for Delhi in domestic cricket and the Lucknow Super Giants in the Indian Premier League. Yadav's professional journey began in October 2022, marking his 2020 debut for Delhi against Manipur. He hit another milestone in December of the same year, with his List A debut for Delhi against Haryana, and immediately after, his first-class debut against Maharashtra. Fast forward to February 2023, Yadav was picked up by the Lucknow Super Giants for the Indian Premier League season. Despite missing the season due to an injury, he made an impactful IPL debut in 2024 against the Punjab Kings, picking up 3 wickets and bowling the fastest ball of the IPL season at a speed of 155.8 kmph. His prowess continued in the next match against Royal Challengers Bangalore, where he took 3 for 14 and bowled a fastest ball at 156.7 kmph. Truly, Mayank Yadav is one to watch in the world of cricket.